Dear students, I am Prateek Bachwani, mathematics teacher of class 8, Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. In this video, I am explaining you about discount and discount related formulae. So what is a discount? Sometimes to increase the sale or to dispose of the old stock, a dealer offers his goods at reduced prices. The reduction in price offered by the dealer is called discount. So, to increase the sale or to dispose of the old stock, a dealer offers his goods at reduced prices. So, that the reduction in the price which is offered by the dealer is known as a discount. Next is marked price, the printed price or the tagged price of an article which is mentioned on any of the article. That is known as marked price. It is represented by MP. It is also called the list price. Marked price is also known as list price. Next is what is net price? The selling price at which the article is sold to the customer after deducting the discount. Suppose the marked price of an article is rupees 100, but the shopkeeper is giving it at rupees 90. It means 10 rupees he is giving discount to us. That 10 rupees is the discount, and after deducting that 10 rupees discount, the net price of that article will be 100 minus 10, which is equals to 90. So that rupees 90 is the net price. So the selling price at which the article is sold to the customer after deducting the discount from the marked price is called the net price. So there are some formulae which will be used in solving the questions related to selling price, marked price, discount and discount percent. Let us see. Selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Selling price equals to marked price minus discount. Rate of discount, which is known as discount percent. So how we will calculate discount percent? It is equals to discount divided by marked price into 100. Discount divided by marked price into 100. This gives discount percent. Selling price equals to marked price into 100 minus discount percent divided by 100. To calculate marked price, 100 into selling price divided by 100 minus discount percent. Now next topic is compound interest. There are some terms which are related to compound interest and simple interest. Let us see. First of all, principal. Principal means P. The money which is borrowed or lent, that money is known as principal. The money which is borrowed or lent, that money is known as principal. Interest, it is the additional money paid to the lender for the use of the money borrowed. Suppose I took rupees 1 lakh from someone for a definite period, suppose for 1 year. After 1 year, when I will pay rupees 1 lakh back to that person, I have to pay some additional money also in the form of interest. Suppose I am paying rupees 10,000 more, so I have to pay rupees 1 lakh plus 10,000 equals to 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. So that 10,000 rupees will be the additional money paid to that person. That additional money is the interest on that principal. Next is rate. Interest of 1 year per rupees 100. Rate means some percent. Interest is given or taken at a definite percentage. That percent is known as rate. Time, the time period for which the money is borrowed, that is known as time or time period. Next is amount. Amount equals to principal plus interest. Suppose I took 1 lakh rupees and I am paying 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 rupees is the interest, 1 lakh rupees is the principal, and 1 lakh 10,000 rupees will be the amount. Next formula of calculating simple interest equals to principal into rate into time divided by 100. Thank you.